It's a beautiful day. Yeah. So today I'm going to be helping you on how to develop strong communication in your relationship. It could be your relationship and it could be in your marriage. So these simple steps will help you develop good communication in your relationship. Of course, we know that communication is essential for a healthy and also a lasting way of building bonds and connectivity in your relationship. So, number one thing you should always do is to practice active listening. So, what is active listening? Giving full attention when your partner speaks. A lot of people, when we are into conversation with whosoever, we get distracted easily. And this is not a sign of respect. And it also shows that you are not active listening to the person interacting with you. So most times you can develop this active listening by trying to give full attention when your partner speaks to you. Then most times avoid interrupting. Show that you understand by either nodding or giving a sign that you are with the person. And most times it really makes sense by giving this kind of affirmation that you are present and you are also listening attentively. So another thing is to kind of repeat what you have heard to confirm understanding. If you are really gaining knowledge, you are understanding what the person is saying, and at the end of the day, the person that is having conversation with you will not feel ignored. So another way of building good communication is to express yourself clearly. Most times it's important you use the I statement. You know, whether you are trying to insinuate a feeling, I feel hot, instead of talking to the person in a manner that most times you never listen. So this kind of words at time will help build good communication system. So most time we expect our partner to know what our needs are, but it doesn't really work like that most times. So it's better to be specific about what we need or how we feel rather than expecting our spouse to guess. So another way of building your communication in with whosoever is to stay calm and avoid raising your voice in disagreement. Most times when we are in conflict or there is a disagreement between our spouse or whosoever, we tend to raise our voice to show a feeling of annoyance, but it's better to control your emotion. This is power. And most times, if you do this the first time, the second time, you will get used to it. You have to practice it, especially if you know that you are not used to this kind of thing. Because at the end of the day, if you learn to do this, it will build good communication with whosoever that you are dealing with in your relationship. So most time, learn the calming tactics to stay calm and avoid raising your voice in disagreement. Then another way of building good communication in your relationship is to set aside time each week to talk about your relationship, your emotions, your feeling, and any concern or worries that you may be experiencing in your relationship. Because most times in relationship, a lot of people they pack these baggages of feeling or bad feeling that they might be having, and at the end of the day it develops, it can lead to a canker, and most times it's better to address it fast. Open-ended questions like, how have you been feeling this week? Or is there anything you want to discuss with me, or anything that you feel that I can do better? This works because it shows that you are interested in building bond or good connection or healthy relationship with whosoever that you are dealing with. All right, guys, there are a lot of ways that you can build communication. In my next video, I'll be talking deeply about this issue because we have realize that majority of problems that happen in relationship is as a result of lack of communication or lack of good communication. So with these simple steps or tips I'll be sharing with you guys, you'll be able to learn one or two things. All right, guys, thanks for watching my video. I appreciate your time. And apart from watching, you can also share my videos with people that you know that this kind of advice can better their life. So you can share with people, and you can also subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And you can also like to let me know that you love what I am doing. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll be back soon. It's a bye for now.